So today I'm going to test this battery charger. I've got two batteries that are nearly flat. I'm going to test this battery charger with those, see how long it takes to charge. Max charge current 2 times 4.5 amps. Rated power consumption 200 watts. Charging time. Got 4 amp hour batteries, so it should take approx 60 minutes. Manual. Charger. Cable usually comes wrapped. So let's plug this in, and I'm going to take a time lapse and see how long it takes. Fully charged, and let's see how it compares to the ryobi. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. That's a 5 amp 30-minute charger. This one takes 60 minutes to charge one battery or two batteries. This one takes 30 minutes to charge a 4 amp battery. Size wise, they're not much different. Considering this is the ryobi is a 1 battery charger, it's about the same size. It's just charging 1 battery instead of 2. I really like the ryobi charger. It's very fast. Five amp. That one is 20 amps, 20 volts, 4 amps. So let's charge the batteries. It's less than 30 minutes, but then again there were 1.5 bars. I need to mow the lawn now, so thanks for watching.